Let's pretend kids.
On this Mom Monday, we're going to be showing you some DIY projects you can do for your pirate party. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. First up, we have invites. For whatever reason, I could not find a picture of our invites, but we did a treasure map and then we did a treasure chest envelope. For each birthday, we like to start with a surprise, either something attached to their door. In this case, it was balloons held in by a net. That way, when he opened, the balloons fell down. He loved it. And then I also like to do a keepsake. I actually painted an old cube box. Then I just did some pirate designs around that box, freehand. Instead of doing a banner, I chose to do another net with some balloons that ended up being a balloon drop there at the end. And then on to decorations. On the inside, we did some octopus tentacles coming out over the couch. We used blue pantyhose. We sliced up a pool noodle and we just attached that with some string. And then, of course, we stuffed it with some polyfill. We used a paper tablecloth that we painted. Then we just added some little details around the house, skulls, bones. We melted some candles in some glass bottles, things like that. For the outside, we actually had the boat that you see in the picture, and we just added some cardboard waves that we painted. I did a little wreath for the door. X marks the spot. We have the cannon also made out of cardboard. There's also an animatronic skeleton from Halloween, and then we did some wooden dock pilings that we got from a furniture store, and we painted them to look like wood. They were cardboard tubes to start out with, and then we just tied them with some rope. And then onto the food. For the cake, we did some blue icing on the bottom. We did some Pepperidge Farm pirouettes that we surrounded the cake with, and then we cut the ship into shape. Did candles as our cannons coming out the side, and then we just did some skewers with some paper sails. I'm very lucky to have a mother-in-law who always helps us out with food. She did some pirate cake pops, and I believe these were white chocolate covered Oreos, maybe, with some markings to look like a map with, of course, X marks the spot again. We also did some tricorn hat cookies. I will be listing the links down below in the description for recipes and things like that. Did a punch with an octopus handle. Did some pixie stick swords and some cannonballs, and fish bait was just whoppers and gummy worms. As for games, we had a ring toss. We did a treasure hunt around the house and outside into the yard actually. And then we did a photo op with the shark's head and just a piece of fabric there on the back to make you look like you're being eaten by a shark. For the gifts, we wanted them to look rugged, so we used brown paper bags as wrapping paper. We stamped on them, we drew on them, and then we gave out buckets instead of gift bags that they filled with different summer prizes that we had. They're not all shown in the picture, obviously. And that's it. I hope that you see that these are projects anyone can do. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you again on Sunday for our regularly scheduled videos, and then of course for Mom Mondays. Thank you. Bye.